Please, can I? The word suffocates me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Salan mo kuya,
No, yeah. You know what, boss? Tomorrow I wanna wear like this because you know it's stimulating to the eyes of the persons. I will just wear t-shirt. Okay?
Because for us real Filipino men, gay sucks. Gay sucks.
Are you man?
Of course.
Really? I thought you were a woman.
Yes.
No, really.
Don't say gay sucks. I got a friend that's gay.
Because you love gay.
No, I didn't love gay. I just got friends that's gay. Just don't say gay sucks. No, just don't say gay sucks. They're human. Human being like us.
Ano po sa Facebook number?
Hindi, punta na ng number mo, i-send ko si mong text. Tapos i-post mo din ng Facebook.